Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we're going to show you how to fix printer driver is unavailable on Windows 10. This issue can prevent you from printing documents and can be frustrating to deal with. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through 2 effective methods to resolve this problem step by step. Let's get started. Method 1, reinstall printer using Windows Printer Setup utility. Step 1. First, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. This will open the Device Manager window where you can manage your hardware devices. Step 2. In the Device Manager window, click on Printers and Scanners. This section contains the list of printers installed on your system. Step 3. Right-click on the printer that's causing the issue and select Uninstall Device. This will remove the printer and its drivers from your system. Step 4. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking Uninstall. Once the printer is uninstalled, proceed to reinstall it. Step 5. Open the Start menu and type Printers and Scanners in the search bar. Click on Printers and Scanners from the search results to open the settings window. Step 6. In the Printers and Scanners window, click on Add a printer or scanner. This will initiate a search for available printers connected to your computer or network. Step 7. Wait for Windows to scan for available printers. This may take a few moments depending on your system and network. Step 8. Once your printer appears in the list, select it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Windows will automatically install the necessary drivers for your printer. Method 2. Set printer as default. Step 1. Open the Start menu and type Printers and Scanners in the search bar. Click on Printers and Scanners from the search results to open the settings window. Step 2. Scroll down to the Let Windows Manage My Default Printer option and uncheck the box. This allows you to manually set your default printer. Step 3. Select the printer you want to set as the default from the list of available printers. Step 4. Click on Manage. This will open the management options for the selected printer. Step 5. Click on Set as Default. This will set the selected printer as your default printer, ensuring it's used for all print jobs. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the printer driver is unavailable error on Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more tips and tutorials like this one.